Hi, this is Michelle with Wreath Attachments, and I'm uploading a video, a fast version of a video of a wreath I've done in the past, and I wanted to post it because sometimes we get intimidated when we add some of our wreath attachments. We're not really used to them. I know the fishing pole that you saw me show, that was one of the things that I was intimidated to add, and I didn't think I was going to be able to do it because of the size and the wire. The fishing pole is made from wire, so it's bendable, which is a wonderful thing if you end up doing that one. And if you're interested in where I got it from, I will definitely post the information on where I got that from. So it was such a small wire on there that I didn't know how to effectively attach it, so I stayed away from it for a long time. But then I just decided to go jump in and do it, and it really isn't that difficult. I didn't use hot glue. I actually used wire and wired it in, and you might not think it's going to stay, but it really and truly does. And if you use the floral wire on it, you can actually hide it. It blends in, and especially if you put it behind some of your greenery, nobody notices that it's there. Right? So that's one of the things that I do with that one. And if there is a wreath attachment that you're scared to do, let me know, and I'll see if I can find it and post a video for you on how it's attached, so that you can work with it. And there's some other tips and tricks out there that I'll be posting along the way that I've learned from some great mentors and just by watching different people. So we'll talk about those things as we move along. So enjoy. I will post the link to the slowed down version if you really want to watch how I did that. That's one of the ways you'll see right there. I just actually hot glued the bass on. A lot of times I'll take a skewer if I want it raised above the wreath, and to have it kind of have a more 3D effect. I'll actually put a little skewer in them and then stick them in. And I'll do another one because this is like one of my favorite wreaths to make. So I will make another one eventually, and I'll do a video on how to do that one. So if there's something, like I said, if there's something you don't know how to do, let me know and we'll find out a way to do it. Even if I don't know how to do it, we'll find a way. So the full-length video, like I said, I'll put in the comments so that you can watch and you can actually see what I'm doing and how I'm doing those things. Alright guys, y'all enjoy the rest of the video, and I challenge you to find you a passion in your life, whatever it is. If it's making wreaths, if it's creating, if it's DIY, find that passion, build on it, enjoy it, develop it, because we all need something in our lives that we look forward to doing. I believe as we get older, these are the things that keep us young and keep us excited and interested and keeps our brain working and going. And like I said, it keeps us young. So